Welcome back to our channel. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix Uber Eats ID verification. So if you are having trouble with your ID verification, your order verification, so what are the things you can do to fix it is like simply you can open up your app settings. So go to settings. So when you go to settings here, go to your apps. Okay, go to your apps, or you can search for Uber Eats simply. It will be easier, Uber Eats. So just search for it and then go to your Uber Eats settings here. So now go to storage. So on the storage, try to clear your cache. So try to clear your cache and then come back. So once you clear your cache and data as well, once you clear both of those, come back and try to force stop this. Okay, once you force stop this one, the app, and then now go back to your Play Store and then see if there is an update for this app. If there is an update for the app, then update your app and then restart your phone, and this should actually fix up your ID verification issue. And if worst case, if this doesn't fix, then you can manually reach out to Uber Eats and then get the customer support team to assist you with. So give it a go and see how it works for you. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.